talk to brother. What do you want to say?
Can I just walk one day and Brandon can walk another?
Brandon, how do you ask him? Say, please, Anthony. May I have the leash? And give it to him. Stop.
But I want to walk one day and Brandon can share the other.
Stop. Just hand. Go ask him for it again. Brand, how you ask? How do you ask brother? Say, please, may I have the leash?
The leash and the leash.
There you go.
But he got to snatch it.
Brand took the initiative.
But I want to walk in one day.
Huh?
I want to walk in one day.
I understand, but this is good therapy for Brandon to not stim while he's walking. And it helps him with his walk, because he has to focus.
What if when you got a blue one? He'll still pull?
No.
Good boy. There's one
Very
in
good.
there. Look, I see one in there.
What?
That.
Come on, Brandon, let's go. To the house. To the house. Let's go home. What you got, Anthony? Come on, baby. Come on, Aunt, babe. Come on, sweetie. What you have?
Tree stuff.
Your what? Reach what? Oh, no, Aunt, leave that alone. Come on. That's why it says warning. You don't fool with that. You don't touch that, sweetie. It's something about those trees back there. Walk like Nana. Come on, Aunt. We're waiting. Say, tell Anthony, come on, Brand. Tell brother, come on. What? Oh, okay. Brand, hands down. Walk like Nana. Brandon. Hands down. Walk like Nana. Come on. No mouth. You told him to come on. You see he's not coming. Brand, come back.
This could be a swing, Nana.
Come on, let's start walking. Let's go home.
What you like.
Oh, you want to be outside a little while? What do you say?
Come on, Brand.
Say, may I please be outside a little while?
Come on, the tree. Put there. Nothing.
Come back, Brand. You're too close. Brandon, come back. See, you're about to fall.